Scientists find evidence of a nearby kilonova 3.5 million years ago. A distant cataclysmic event. Astronomers often report dramatic events like neutron star mergers or the creation of black holes, but these events typically happen light years away in other galaxies. These events emit light, but they have minimal impact on Earth. However, scientists have recently discovered evidence of a nearby kilonova, a type of explosion that occurs when two neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole collide, that happened about 3.5 million years ago. Rare isotopes hint at a nearby event. The evidence for this kilonova comes from the discovery of two rare isotopes, Fe-60 and Pu-244, in ocean sediments dating back 3 to 4 million years ago. These isotopes are not typically found on Earth, but they can be created in specific types of supernovae, such as kilonovae or mergers of neutron stars with other objects. Deciphering the ratios. Scientists have already studied the ratios of Fe-60 and Pu-244 in the sediment samples, and determined that a single binary neutron star merger could not explain the observed data. However, a new paper from physicists at the University of Trento suggests that a kilonova could be the source of these isotopes. The role of spiral wave winds. The researchers found that a kilonova could create the observed ratio of Fe-60 and Pu-244 if it had a specific debris ejection pattern, and a certain tilt of the merger event. This is because kilonovae can eject matter in spiral wave winds, which carry Pu-244 to Earth. The distance of the kilonova. The researchers used computer simulations to estimate the distance of the kilonova from Earth. They found that it was about 150 to 200 parsecs away, which is equivalent to about 500 to 600 light-years. This is quite close in astronomical terms, and it shows that even our own backyard can be the scene of dramatic cosmic events. The implications of the discovery. The discovery of this evidence of a nearby kilonova is significant because it shows that these events can happen even closer to Earth than we previously thought. It also reminds us that the universe is a dangerous place, and that we should be prepared for the possibility of such events happening in our own neighborhood.